So investing out of state, you need the same kind of team that you do even if you're in state. So you need to go back through, you're gonna have a whole list of people for your out of state that aligns with the whole people that you have a list of in state. You still need realtors. If you're looking for good properties that other people have sorted through, you want wholesalers and bird doggers. Property managers, if you're going to hold them as rentals out of state, and go through friends and family. There are a couple of people that are in the program right now that are actually finding good deals through their friends and family. Don't rule out who your friends and family might be connected to. You never know until you ask. And most of you, because you're brand new or fairly new, people don't know what you're doing yet. One of those things that I look for as a coach is to see as people are actually out there doing things, spreading the word, what starts to come back to them. So that to me is evidence of things to come. If you're already getting referrals from people and you continue doing what you're doing, how well do you think your business will be referring within, say, 2 years from now? This doesn't happen by magic. It happens by step to step, but sometimes it feels like magic when you get an amazing referral in, but it's all because of little seeds you planted along the way. So networking with other investors, classifieds with the local newspaper, LoopNet, Craigslist, those are just a couple. Your local newspaper might be a paper still, but it might also be online now. Some cities have actually gone completely paperless. So however yours are advertised, just your local classifieds on or offline.